Down.
Ay, video na lang parang.
We have video online for this, okay?
Meron na pala.
I will send you the link. Put more. Make sure it's completely soaked. And then you take your next one.
Wow, Rahima. Free service. Mashallah.
Yun, copy na down.
This is Rahima. Free service. And this is our technician.
You can squeeze the bottle to get it out faster. And remember to also put it around, you know? If this is, because you know, like I'm holding her leg, in real life, you will not have me here, right?
Yeah.
So in real life, if it's hard for you, wet it here and stick it. But make sure it's properly wet. That's the most important part.
What about if they have like crack?
Okay, so crack, it's fine as long as it's dry. Yes.
Can they?
Minimum 10 minutes. So, maximum 10 minutes.
Maximum
50 minutes.
Yes. And
So,
everything
habang
that I'm
nililinis
telling
natin
you,
yung
it's in
ano.
your manual, okay?
Tapos nilinisan.
So the one with the foot is for the medicure.
Yan, natin si Rosa yung napagod.
Then while this is soaking, if you keep the toes open, you can start to remove your nail polish.
Yeah.
You can cut, you can file, and you can start with your
Cleaning.
Exactly.
Nag-cleaning ka na ko.
Also here, if there's a
Parang palang yung...
Parang kalos din, pero ibang step lang.
anywhere on the other side of the foot.
Lalagyan lang siya ng ano.
And if the customer has eczema or psoriasis, because it needs slip, so you can just wet your hand and then
Oh, mashallah, Rahima.
You've seen the hand scrub? This is the amount of the scrub?
yeah.
Okay. Have you seen where to get it from? Because it's such a... It's there.
Yeah.
Nice like Rahima.
Girls, try it. Put it on your hand.
Yan, tinanggal ng warm towel.
Yeah, it doesn't, the granules are not very hard to remove.
Yeah.
And also, if you don't remove them all now, we still have the mask. So after the mask, it should all be gone. So now you can do the nail soak for like 5 minutes. Or you can put the mask, and while the mask is on, you can soak at the same time. Mask is the big tube there. This one behind your hair. Yeah, that's the mask. So
I will put this one.
it's called Ultra Mud Mask. And this is a clay-based mask. It's volcanic clay. It's white color and it's enriched with coconut oil. It's non-drying, non-cracking, and what it does is it purifies the skin, it nourishes the skin, and it has a small brightening effect. Okay? This is the same mask we will use for the hands and the feet. Same. And a little bit goes a long way. If you've already done all your nail work, we don't put it on the nail plate, so we stop just before.
Rahima,
You know, there's some
instant whitening, Rahima.
skin is talking. Yeah, so I can feel my skin saying thank you. Super soft.
Okay, and now we can wrap it in the plastic.
Nilalapan natin sa plastic.
And then if you have these electric mittens or booties, you can use them.
We don't.
If you have the towel,
Mittens.
mittens, you can use that.
Hi, mittens lang. But it is more the mittens. Lima like this, And then this one only can.
And this mask, it should stay 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, remove this one. And then this is your scraper. So the plastic scraper, it has a sharp side and a thick side. And this is only to remove excess product. Don't think this is what's removing the callus. It's gonna remove the skin that's turned to the gel.
Ah, scrape. Ini-scrape lang pala.
This is still hard, but we can soften it down with the pumice stone. So I took the excess. I can wipe, and then you open the next part. So
Next
open
part.
it,
Galing, no? Nice. It's easy for us.
Open all. Yeah, it makes
No
it
need, no
easy.
need filing, no? Because
Exactly.
too hard, too much filing.
You will see, just like this, you will remove.
Makita.
May kailangan lang, may katulong.
And you can go up, you can go down, and the skin will come like this. Remove all of this, so you can try. Remove all of this and 2 hands. You need 2 hands.
Hindi ko, yung video ko, hindi ko nga.
So just remove, because the stone will be the one that smooths everything. There is no product here, so it's not. So just slide it down. You don't have to scratch or anything.
Just
Wipe.
slide it down.
Yeah. And this can be done also when she's laying on the bed face down. If she have a lot of callus, it's better for you. If she has too much callus, it's also recommended to do 3 treatments. Okay? She can do it with like 3 days in between each treatment. That's enough. Now we take the stone. So you saw there you have the mini,
The stone, this one.
mini
We
stones.
use in Africa to scrap off.
Yes. So these stones, it can be, it's very thin.
In the river. Yeah, in the river.
You can reuse them, but before you use it, obviously after you've used it, you clean it. Once you've cleaned it, you can take off the top layer by rubbing 2 together. So the big one is actually in the home care kit. We sell a callus kit, and the small one we use it in treatment.
Oh, nice.
And you will just do this, and that's the skin
Wow.
Galing.
coming off.
This is a nice
Nice.
treatment.
Now, many girls, they ask no pain and no work for you. Just you are rubbing.
Very easy.
Many girls, they ask, why can't we use the foot file?
Sabi ni Raquel na galing dito.
Very nice this one.
The foot file, it works everywhere on the foot, right? But this stone, it will only work where the callus tonic was. If I do this, it scratches and it's uncomfortable. But on the heel, she doesn't feel anything.
You're only rubbing.
Yeah,
No work too much.
exactly. And when it starts to become fine, like a powder, like here, it's enough. Done.
Done na pala yun.
Yeah.
Pag powder na.
Ako na
I-remove lang
kuskus
yung
nito
excess
tanggal.
ng ano.
So I don't think you had under here. So take care not to scratch where you didn't put product. That's why I said be very generous with your callus tonic. And the other foot
Everywhere.
that you had the callus tonic,
Kung saan may...
Kung saan
Kung saan nilagay yung ano. Yung tonic. To balance the pH. Yan ang neutralize. Nasaan na yung bote no? Nasaan yung bote? Papakita ko.
Pakahirap na magsulat.
and then we're going to exfoliate.
Done man.
Great. So now we're gonna put the exfoliator. It's
Ito
called
yung neutralize.
alpha hydroxy exfoliant in the white bottle.
The white.
The white bottle on the far end.
Which one?
White bottle.
Yeah.
Alpha hydroxy acid exfoliant. Anybody wants to try?
Anong pangalan nun? Ito yun?
There's a small
Ito yung-
granule that you feel, but it's very soft.
Tapos ng neutralizer ito.
They say don't scrub, just put.
Just put, don't scrub.
Apply like lotion.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You try.
We're doing training.
Apply like normal, like massage.
With love.
Yeah, with pleasure.
But
But did you put under?
After
Also,
scrub,
it's called spa additive. The foot soap, the small one.
This one.
Yes. You have 5 of those, 4 or 5
so
of
ito
them.
yung pang feet soap.
1 small spoon in your bowl with warm water. This has rosemary and tea tree.
Bakit ang liit lang lang sa
And it's
atin?
an antifungal, antibacterial foot soap.
Oh, nice smell.
Smells really good. It's excellent for eczema, for psoriasis. She can buy it and soak her whole body in the bathtub.
Oo, yung parang sa treatment din natin.
How many spoon mo doon?
One
One spoon?
small spoon.
Kasi sa atin, usually, soak up muna, no?
Yeah,
Dito maganda
because
kasi
we're out.
after ng scrub,
Our
ito
new
soak.
shipment is coming now. I
Aman,
think.
gusto
Our
ko.
treatment before, soak first, then after.
No, because remember I told you, calisthenic needs to go on.
No sabon, only.
No.
Okay.
I don't want to see that with an LM treatment. We have everything you need.
Kasi may bula na siya. This bubble.
It's like a one sabon.
Yeah. Then she can put her feet in. And while she's check the temperature. That's okay. While she's soaking, you can start to remove the exfoliation.
How many minutes the soaking?
Like 5 minutes. 3 to 5.
While during the...
Yeah. So while she's soaking, we can go back to the hands. So again, we need
I will
the
tell
towel.
Towel, one towel.
Gusto ko yung sa paa. Yung pangkalyo.
Paano naman sa pag-alala? Pero tingnan mo na.
Oo, kung hiludan yan.
Hindi naman to
At
mag-ano
home?
dahil wala kang at kalos
It's good for
Yeah, this one it works with the kalos tonic.
I'm saying back home, we don't use anything.
Sisend ko na lang to sa
You
group.
go in the sea, you fit and
Yeah,
yeah.
the stone.
And then when you're in the bathroom, like
It's
my,
a
Sisend ko na lang to sa group ah.
It's a pure
my mother has a big
stone.
one, but she doesn't every time she do like this, she gets more colors. So Murphy treatment.
For the hard rock. Sa atin, walang treatment. Really nice. Madam, this is...
Madam. So let her soak a little bit more.
The price. No, this one soapy mask. How much is the price? It's 79.
We should bring for the full body. So it's nice.
Yeah.
Full body scrub.
Oh,
It looks nice.
Yeah, because she passed already.
She's glowing even.
Yeah.
Of 10 oils in one.
Yan yung
Yes.
mask.
One of
Tingnan
the
niya yung
main-
itsura.
One of the main oils is
Mas uli?
arnica
Ay,
oil,
oo nga
sweet
pala.
almond, coconut oil.
oh, nice.
We place 1 drop on the hand and we transfer it
Puti-puti na nila nila.
to the nails. So that the tip, it never comes in contact with the skin and there's no chance of cross-contamination.
Tingin ng oil. Yan. Cuticle oil.
Ma'am, can I try?
Of course, all of you can try. Pass it around.
Tingin niya ako, patry ako.
Nilagyan mga ako.
And then for the hand cream, for the professional, we use ultra-rich hand therapy. Ultra-rich hand therapy.
Ito yun, ayun. Alam mo, ginagawa nila ni Raquel dito.
When you will
Sinasama
order
yung mask,
again,
tsaka
it
yung
will
scrub.
come in the big top.
This is for the hand.
Professional is the big one. This is actually the retail side. And then for retail, we have another hand cream also, which is called the Age Reversal Hand Cream. This is with SPF 30 and it's for pigmentation and aging. This is for hydration and nourishment. Okay?
Etong anti-aging cream.
The oil.
The other one's there.
Yeah, there. They're using na daw.
Hindi, cuticle oil.
So, cream na yan, no?
This is the cream.
So the anti-aging one, it's only available for retail. The
Also
ultra rich is
How much the
retail.
oil, ma'am?
The cuticle oil, I will check. I'll tell you the price.
Ito maganda siya.
Bising-bising isa.
Yan, tanggal lahat.
Kasi mahal.
Ang ganda yan siya. Mabenta yan sa city.
Pwede, Jackie, ba't late ka na?
Tinag-try ko
Alas
naman
10
yata
pasok
si-
ko, di ba?
With a gold shimmer. You hold it at a distance
Yes, the oil.
and you just spritz it onto the skin.
Ah,
And it locks in the moisture and it gives a little gold shimmer.
Malayo.
Lulayo, lulayo. This,
You can use it hair, body, everywhere.
Bako
din try it.
Yes, it's
Sprayan mo nga ako.
Wow.
Pag-order daw eh.
Product
ito si Rosalie.
available.
Pagbuti mo, Rosalie.
Girls, can you listen quickly? There's some product that's available only for retail.
Oh.
The first one is the anti-aging hand cream I told you about. Then we also have a dark spot serum. Dark spot serum is specifically for the customer that's very concerned about certain spots on the hand. She can put the serum first and then her cream on top. Because remember that the anti-aging hand cream has SPF 30. So it's very good if she's driving a lot also. Okay? And then we yes, but this is normally related to skin type, not actually pigmentation from sun or aging. So it's a little bit different, harder to treat actually. But with some continuous exfoliation, she may see an improvement. Then we also have Fungal Force. Now Fungal Force is one of our best sellers. It's an antifungal treatment for the nails and the skin between the toes. And I know that it's something you see a lot in the salon. This treatment should be used morning and evening for 28 days. And she can completely get rid of it. Ingredients, it's tea tree, trichlorcarbon, and it's very strong antifungal ingredient. Okay? But she has to keep the area around the fungus also clean. Like if she's always wearing closed shoes, she needs to clean and sanitize her shoes. If she's wearing socks, she needs to change her socks and wash them regularly. So when you treat a fungus, you have to treat the surrounding environment also. Okay?
It's only for everything.
Same cuticle oil on the feet, but our foot cream is different. Okay?
Pag hindi siya nail polish.
Hindi ganyan tayo paglagay ito.
Dito dapat.
There, you just put one
One drop and then transfer.
So, lagay mo na rin sa kabila.
Para hindi sayang.
Pilit mo sirahin. Actually, you should also start using oil like that.
Yeah.
Not like
This is
Yeah.
foot
you put
protector.
here, then you transfer.
Yeah.
It's
So the foot cream
It's
is thicker,
Same
as
thing.
you can see, than the hand.
and
safe
professional.
and professional.
Then, no, professional. You don't do
Tapos,
boom, boom, boom. Diyan.
cream. So we have a special hand cream, a special foot cream. And what makes this product unique is it's moisturizing. It has urea inside to hydrate and soften the skin. And it also has a gel powder system, which means that
nice.
while you are massaging, you're gonna have slip. But the minute you stop, it finishes to a powder finish, so she doesn't slip and
Under
slide
the shoe.
in her shoe.
So they're always doing. Then put down.
How much your fee? You're cleaning.
Baka nag-i-start. Tapos sa kag. Hindi ka pa nga kaya na. Tapos ganyan pa ka-arts na.
First time? Yes. 50, 581, 821.
This scraper is mine.
Okay.
She's asking you.
Sabi mo kaya.
Sa atin ba yan?
Ano mo yung dalawa dyan? Tingnan mo sa akin yung dalawa.
Oo, isa.
Isa.
Kasi alam mo naman yan, Jackie.
So the stone,
Yeah.
you would take your antibacterial soap. You need a brush. You have to brush to get all the skin out. Then you will let it dry in the sun or in light.
Coffee,
24 hours. Then you grab it, spray it with sanitizer, and then it's good to use again. Okay?
Then, I will spray now.
Yes, go spritz, shake well.
Shake mo muna, te.
Shake mo muna.
Para maging expensive ulit sa rin.
Magiging shining, shimmery.
Doon ka sa labas.
From a distance.
No, not that far. Yeah, like this. Like 30 centimeters.
Make it expensive. Let's.
Wow, mashallah. Finish.
Pero yung koko.
But look at the nails. Ew!